Ang ginawa ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, protektahan ang Senate bilang Senate President. Tungkulin niya pangalagaan ang lahat ng senador, minority or majority. Ang pakiusap lang ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, huwag arestuhin sa loob ng premises ng Senado, sa labas ipatupad. Habang ang mga minority senador, paputo-puto off lang sila. Habang ang mga minority senador, walang stress, walang kaso, kahit isa sa kanila walang kaso sa ngayon. Pero sa pagbubukas ng flood control, dyan natin malalaman. Walk out pa. Dapat nagkaisa kayo, labanan nyo ang Senado. Talagang pinag-initan na kayo ng gobyerno.
Sirs, Sen. Migs, tinatawag niyo po bang boycott itong nangyari? Sen. Risa, any statement, sir, ma'am, sa nangyari? Sen. Erwin.
We'll have a joint statement later. Just wait for it.
This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. But let's walk. Let's walk. You arrest him here. It's a Sir, you can arrest sir right now. Sir, you can. This is the Senate. This is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate. Not for me. Not That's not for me. That's for the Senate, sir. That's for the Senate. For the country. Sir, pumayag ka na. Pumayag ka na. Right outside the door. Right outside the door. No handcuffs.
Criminal case number E-SB26-CRM-006 for the crime of plunder under Republic Act 78 as amended. Signed by Honorable Zaldi B. Trespeces, Chairperson Association. Sir, being accused, you have also rights. May karapatan ka manahimik at magsawa ng kibo. Ano man ang iyong sabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa kanang hukuman. May karapatan na ka rin kumuha ng sarili ng abogado o tagapagtanggol nang naayon sa iyong nakis. Kung wala kakayahan, ang pamahalaan ng pagkakalubad ka na talaga isa. Lahat po ba ng mga karapatan niyo sa rin ang unawaan?
Was he requesting for you not to arrest him?
No. The question was whether yung separation of the executive and the judiciary and the legislative. Sabi niya, even at the time of Salonga, he protected Enrile. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, in a not very calm voice kasi umakit na, Sir, I'm sorry, you lost that privilege when Bato escaped. Okay, next.
So ano ibig sabihin? Wala
So,
na,
yes.
you honor yung ganong separation?
We will inform them, we will give them the courtesy, but if there's an arrest to be made, we will make the arrest.
So just for clarification, ang tamang term is you went there to arrest him, you served the warrant, or so it means he was arrested, or did he surrender?
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG. He was read his Miranda rights.